Hey, if you're looking for a free VST plugin that will help you create or add depth to your mixes, I think this video is for you. In today's video, we'll be checking out an interesting free plugin by Stage Audio, and it is called Stage Depth Lite. This is the light version of Stage Depth. According to the developer, Stage Depth is a one-knob spatial tool designed to place sounds naturally in a virtual acoustic space. So instead of using the traditional reverb or EQ workflows, Stage Depth combines distance-based filtering, early reflections, delay cues, reverb shaping, automatic gain compensation, and all of this controlled by a single intuitive knob. Alright, let's quickly take a look at the main control. As you can see, the depth, which is the central knob, and this particular knob controls how far a sound sits in the virtual space. From 0 to 20 is close or upfront. From 20 to 60 is natural placement, which is usually the sweet spot. From 60 to 100 is distant or ambient textures. As you increase depth, high frequencies soften, early reflections increase, reverb depth increases, direct signal subtly reduces, and transients soften. Now for the space section, you select the acoustic environment. Hall, as you can see, is a balanced orchestral space, natural depth and clarity ideal for most musical material. And have this in mind, Stage Depth Lite provides Hall only. So if you want to get more spaces, you need to upgrade to the full version. Now before we continue, here is a downside to this. I realize that this particular plugin is CPU intensive. I'm not sure if it is because of my system or it is from the plugin. Why do I say this? If I engage the plugin, as you can see, pay close attention to my meter right here, and I increase this. See what happened? I mean, this is crazy. But there is something I normally do in FL Studio to see if I can get this fixed. So that will be by going to the wrench icon here, come over to settings, and under latency, as you can see, I set it, setting by clicking on this particular one, which is set in ms, and just type the buffer you need. Let's say 512 and apply. Then let's try it again and see if that happens. Now you noticed it has dropped. So I believe you can increase it more depending on the amount of RAM you have. So let's put this to, let's put it to 720. All right. The difference is not that much. All right. Well, let's try and see if it is going to play smoothly without glitch and issues. I think the best approach should be inserting it individually in your mixer rack. But with this CPU intensive nature of this plugin, I doubt if this will be possible. But guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. So without wasting much of your time, guys, I'll be leaving the link in the description. Without the screen recording, it sounds amazing, which I'll be demoing the sound, but it's not gonna be live demonstration anymore. I will process it and attach it at the end of this video so that you can hear the before and after. So feel free to let me know what you think about this plugin. To me, it actually sounded amazing. Like, I tried it before recording this video and I love what I heard. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Let me know what you think. If you found it helpful, make sure to leave a like, share your honest thoughts in the comments, subscribe if you haven't, and most importantly, turn on your bell notification for more content like this. And if you want to check out amazing free plugins that I've covered on this channel, the video on the screen right now is a playlist and it contains a whole lot of free tools and even paid tools that I've covered on this channel. Go there, who knows? You might find something very useful, and I will see you there. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and bye for now.